Human Rights Laguna Lake Development Authority CA 231 ECRA 292. Facts: a later complaint was filed with the Laguna Lake Development Authority LLDA seeking to stop the operation of the open garbage dump site in the Tala Estates in Caloocan due to its harmful effect on the health of the residents and the possibility of pollution of the water content of the surrounding area. It was discovered that the open dump site did not have environmental compliance certificate from the Environment Management Bureau of the Department of Environmental and Natural Resources, as required under Presidential Decree No. 1586 and a clearance from the LLDA as required under Public Act number 4850. The LLDA then conducted an on-site investigation monitoring and test sampling of the that seeps from the Sage Dam sites to the nearby creek, which is a tributary of the Marilao River. The Leachate testing revealed the presence of bacteria. As a result, the LLDA to issue other cease and desist order that the dumping of any form or kind of garbage and other waste matter at the Caloocan dam site be completely stopped. When talks on the dam site failed to settle the problem, the dam site was opened again, prompting the LLDA to issue another cease and desist order. Thereafter, the LLDA, with the assistance of Philippines National Police, enforced the order by prohibiting the entry of all garbage dump trucks into the Caloocan dam site. The city government of Caloocan then filed with the RTC of Caloocan City an action for the declaration of nullity of the cease and desist order, declaration of nullity of the cease order, and sought to be declared as the sole authority empowered to promote the health and safety and enhance the right of the people in Caloocan City to balance ecology within its territorial jurisdiction. Issues and rulings. Number 1. Does the LLDA have the authority to entertain the complaints against the dumping of garbage in the open dump site in Caloocan authorized by its city government, which is allegedly endangering the health, safety, and welfare of residents therein, and the sanitation and quality of the water in the area brought about by exposure to pollution caused by smell open garbage dump site? Yes, the LLDA's jurisdiction was validly involved on the basis of the allegation that the open dump site of the city government of Caloocan was undertaken without clearance from LLDA as required by RA 4850. As a general rule, the adjudication of pollution cases generally pertains to the Pollution Adjudication Board, except in cases where the special law provides for another forum. It must be recognized that in this regard, the LLDA, by virtue of its special charter, obviously has the responsibility to protect the inhabitants of the Laguna Lake region from the deleterious effects of pollution emanating from the discharge of waste from the surrounding areas in carrying out the national policy of promoting and accelerating development and balanced growth of the Laguna Lake area and the surrounding province of Rizal and Laguna and the cities of San Pablo, Manila, Pasay, Quezon, and Caloocan. With due regard and educate provision of environmental management and control, preservation of the quality of human life and ecological system, and the provision of undue ecological disturbances, the deterioration and pollution. The LLDA is mandate, among others, to pass upon and approve or disapprove all plans, programs, and projects proposed by local government office agencies within the region, public corporations, and private person or enterprise where such plans, programs, and or project are related to those of the LLDA for development of the region. Number 2. Does the LLDA have the power and authority to issue a cease and desist order to enjoin the dumping of garbage in the Tala Estate? Yes. Although the LLDA was not expressly confirmed the power to issue an ex parte cease and desist order in express term, the LLDA's issuance of one as a practical matter of procedure under the circumstances of the case as a proper exercise of its power and authority under its charter and its mandatory laws. The provision which empowers LLDA to institute necessary legal proceeding against any person who shall commence to implement or continue implementation of any project, plan, or program within the Laguna Debate region without previous clearance from the LLDA was designed to invest the LLDA with sufficient broad powers in the regulation of all projects undertaken in the Laguna Lake region, whether by the government or the private sectors, and so far as the implementation of this project is concerned. Moreover, Section 16 of Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution state that the state shall protect and advance the right of the people to a balanced and healthful ecology in accord with the rhythm and harmony of nature. As a constitutionally guaranteed right of every person, it carries the correlative duty of non-impairment. This is but in consonance with the declared policy of the state to protect and promote the right to health of the people and instill health consciousness among them. It is to be borne in mind that the Philippines is party to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Alma Conference Declaration of 1978, which recognize health as fundamental human rights. The LLDA's charter is but a response to the demands of the necessities of protecting vital public interests, which give vitality to the aforementioned state policies and principles. Theories of source of rights. Number 1.